Yeah, this trade was unpredictable. Honestly, I wasn't planning in entering the market at this point, but I found the signal and why not? Yeah, the hardest part in trading isn't finding the perfect indicator, it's having the discipline to follow a proven system. My strategy may look simple, but it took years of refining to reach this point. So yeah, simplicity is power when it's earned. Yeah, so if you want to learn my strategy, the first episode is free at learnthestrategy.com/free. Link in the description or in the bio.